In today's video, we're going to cover another topic the Department of State and American Immigration Lawyers Association discussed regarding DS 260. If it's something you're interested in, just stay tuned and I'll be right back. USA Mon. Hello my beautiful people, this is John from USA Mon. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. If you are new here, my name is John. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding their immigration questions, and sometimes we talk about different topics. But today, like I say in the introduction, it's about DS 260, the immigrant visa form. So on the Department of State committee and American Immigration Lawyers Association committee met on June 9th, 2022, almost 3 weeks ago, and they discussed on different topics. I talked about one topic last week, and this week we're gonna cover what they talk about regarding DS 260. Okay, so the problem is sometimes some of you guys who petition for your relative, once the case moves to NVC National Visa Center, you fill out the DS 260 form, again, which is an immigrant visa form. At one point, you want to update the case, the DS 260 form, how you do that. Or sometimes you can make a mistake. You want to correct the mistake, but you don't know exactly what you do. So they asked that question to the Department of State, and they provide the answer, regarding what exactly you need to do if you are in that situation. So we're going to read what the question was about, what the American Immigration Law Association committee asked as a question, and then what the Department of State give us a response. If you're ready, let's go in front of my computer. So here is the question and the answer of the meeting regarding DS 260 form. So the question was asked by the American Immigration Lawyers Association. They say once a form on DS 260 is submitted, it cannot be changed. Applicant submit on DS 260 at the NVC stage for the case to become documentary qualified, and then wait for 1 or 2 years for an interview. In some cases, the information on the form becomes outdated during the time. However, given that the document is locked and there is no option to submit a new DS 260, please confirm how DOS, which is Department of State, prefers applicants update the information included to reflect update from after submission but before the immigrant visa appointment. So that was the question. So now let's read about the answer the Department of State gave. Our systems are not designed to allow a DS 260 to be reopened after it has been received and reviewed by the NVC, which is National Visa Center. Reopening will take the case out of the intended processing path, and further, if NVC National Visa Center will reopen the DS 260 after a case was documentary complete, the case will lose its spot in line for scheduling, as a new documentary complete data will be applied to the case. So basically what it's trying to say here is that if let's say you made a mistake on your DS 260 and you contact NVC to reopen the case for you, if they reopen the case, you're going to lose your position in the line. Okay, because some of you guys who's document to qualify, you're already in line to get an interview appointment letter. So if they have to reopen that case, then you will lose your position. Maybe if you were position 2, you can move to position 5 or 7. Okay, that's one of the reasons they're saying that, and that's one of the reasons why they don't want to reopen the DS 260. Okay, so now let's continue here. So, and then over here, instead, once the case has been scheduled, the spot can be the poster can be informed that there are changes that need to be made to the DS260, and post can reopen the document to allow update to be made through the Computer Electronic Application Center portal. Okay, so what they're trying to say here is that once the case has been scheduled, meaning that once the interview has been scheduled, the post is basically the embassy, the consulate. Okay, they say they will contact the embassy and let them know that new update is needed, that the DS260 needs to be updated, and that can be done through the Computer Electronic Application Center portal. So basically, the posts are the one that will allow that, okay, the update. So that's what they're talking about here. Now they say likewise, the visa applicant can and should inform the officer at the interview of any information on the form that has been outdated, so that the form can be annotated or reopened to be amended by the applicant as appropriate. Okay, so at the interview, they want you to let the interviewer know that, okay, there are information on the DS260 that are outdated, therefore you want to update those information. You can let the interviewer know. So basically, that's what they talk about during their meeting, because a lot of people have that issue. You don't know exactly what you do. You made a mistake on the form. Some information are no longer correct or no longer accurate on the form. Then you want to change it, but you don't know what to do. Sometimes you call NVC, they will tell you that, okay, maybe change the information at the interview. I even made a video about that. So now that's what they want you to do. They're saying that on the consular, the U.S. consulate can allow that change, or you can provide those information at the interview. So if you have any question regarding this, well, let me know in the description below. I will do my best to reply to those questions, and also I will do my best to leave the link in the description so you guys can read the full discussion they had during the meeting. So basically, that's all I have for you today. It's not a long video. I hope you learned something from it. If you know somebody you think might benefit from it, well, go ahead and share it with that person. If you like the video, you already know what you do. Click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, well, click on the bell. If you want to subscribe to this channel, you already know what to do. Just click on the subscribe button. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in another video.
USA Monde.